there are aspects that, I mean, you can definitely make somebody charismatic. And I was talking to my buddy and we had this argument, not an argument, but a conversation about a year ago. Like, can you actually make somebody more charismatic? Is there a way to train that? And we found out there is, and you definitely can. And so now it's something that when I work with clients one-on-one, we actually train on it. There's about 15 different aspects of unconscious communication that makes somebody perceived more as an authority and more dynamic. And so we train on those things. And when I work with speakers or even salespeople, I'll break them down on video and I'll show where they're not connected, where they lose their confidence, where they are erratic or moving in a way that lowers their social stance, like, or just like, just not really present.
Sure.
It's movement, confidence, movement, appearance, confidence, connection, and intent. And so we break down some of these things and measure people on it. And, a great example of somebody, also gratitude, enjoyment, leadership, discipline, and confidence. This is a different type of confidence. So,
sure.
So there's confidence that's measured two different ways. One is your internal and one is the outward perception. And so we look at all of this and it frames somebody's communication. And a great guy to model, love him or hate him, President of the United States, Bill Clinton. And in his heyday, like nobody could connect like Bill Clinton. There was this warm, genuine, sincere, and so when you see amazing behavior, and this is a tenet of NLP, you find somebody, don't just model what they say, like in sales, like what's the script? What are they saying? Grant Cardone, like what are they saying? But you want to model their, and this is an NLP, thing, their belief system, their mental syntax, and their physiology. And so their belief system, what do they believe about people, about themselves, about communication? And so we start to unpack that. And through a process, you can install these beliefs in people. And, and having a feedback loop where people measure themselves, that's the best way to get great at anybody. It's coaching where you get a feedback on your performance.
Oh, that's good. Yeah.